Hello students, welcome back in the Roads project. I am Mital Patil from Sadguru Gadge Maharaj College Karad, which is a branch of Rayat Shikshan Sanstha. This lecture is conducted for Rayat Online School Education project, that is Rose project. This is our third lecture, which is based on solution of a differential equation and variable separable form. First, we see solution of a differential equation. A relation between independent and dependent variable which does not involve differentials is called a solution of a differential equation if this relation and the derivative obtained from it satisfy the differential equation. For example, consider the differential equation dy by dx equal to cos x, then y equal to sin x plus c, where c is the constant, is the solution of this differential equation. In this equation, if we differentiate y equal to sin x plus c, we get dy by dx equal to cos x. So, y equal to sin x plus c is the solution of a dy by dx is equal to cos x. There are two types of solutions for a differential equation. First is general solution and second is particular solution. First we see general solution. A solution of a differential equation in which the number of arbitrary constants is equal to the order of the differential equation is called the general solution of the differential equation. It means that in this solution, arbitrary constant and order of the differential equation are same. Remember here, the number of arbitrary constants and the order of differential equation are same. So, the solution is called general solution. Next is particular solution. A solution of a differential equation in which can be obtained from the general solution by giving particular values to the arbitrary constants is called the particular solution of the differential equation. Remember here, particular solution is obtained from general solution by substituting the value of arbitrary constant. Now we see examples based on the solution of a differential equation. Our first example is verify that the given expression xy equal to log y plus c is a solution of the differential equation dy by dx is equal to y square divided by 1 minus xy. Its solution is, first we write given expression and given expression is xy is equal to log y plus c. In this expression, there is only one arbitrary constant. So, we differentiate this expression only once. On differentiating with respect to x, we get, here we use product rule in LHS. Therefore, x as it is derivative of y is dy by dx plus y as it is derivative of x is 1 equal to derivative of log y is 1 upon y into dy by dx plus derivative of c is a 0. Therefore, x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 1 upon y into dy by dx. Take the terms which contains dy by dx on the LHS. Therefore, x into dy by dx minus 1 upon y into dy by dx equal to minus y. Now, we take dy by dx common from the LHS. We get in bracket x minus 1 upon y into dy by dx is equal to minus y. Therefore, in bracket xy minus 1 divided by y into dy by dx is equal to minus y. Take the term xy minus 1 divided by y in the RHS. So we get dy by dx is equal to minus y square divided by xy minus 1. Now we multiplied numerator and denominator by minus sign in the RHS. We get dy by dx is equal to y square divided by 1 minus xy if xy not equal to 1. Hence, xy is equal to log y plus c is the solution of the differential equation dy by dx is equal to y square divided by 1 minus xy where xy not equal to 1. Hence, the verify. Next example is verify that the given expression y equal to e raised to minus x plus ax plus b is the solution of the differential equation e raised to x into d2y by dx square is equal to 1. Its solution is, first we write given expression and the given expression is y equal to e raised to minus x plus ax plus b. In this expression there are two arbitrary constants. So, we differentiate this equation twice. On differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of e raised to minus x plus ax plus b. Therefore, dy by dx equal to derivative of e raised to minus x is minus of e raised to minus x plus derivative of x is a plus derivative of b is 0. Again differentiating with respect to x, we get d2y by dx square is equal to minus of e raised to minus x into bracket minus 1 is equal to e raised to minus x. Therefore, d2y by dx square is equal to 1 upon e raised to x. Now, we take the term e raised to x on the LHS. So, we get e raised to x into d2y by dx square is equal to 1. Hence, y equal to e raised to minus x plus ax plus b is a solution of the differential equation e raised to x into d2y by dx square is equal to 1. Hence, the verified. Now, second point in this lecture is variable separable method. Every differential equation of the first order and first degree can be written in the form m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. It's our first equation, where m and n are function of x and y. If m is a function of x along, n is a function of y along, that is m equal to f of x and n equal to g of y. Put this value in the equation 1, we get f of x into dx plus g of y into dy is equal to 0. This is our second equation. This is said to be in variable separable form, whose solution is obtained by integrating equation 2 and is given by integration of f of x dx plus integration of g of y dy is equal to c, where c is a constant of integration gives the general solution of the given differential equation. A particular solution can be obtained from the general solution by calculating the constant c using given value x and y. Using suitable substitution, a given differential equation in which variables are not easily separable can be converted to separable form. Students, you must remember to convert the expression to variable separable form. We must take the terms of x on LHS and the terms of y on RHS. Here are the examples on variable separable form. First example is solve the differential equation. Equation is dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y square divided by 1 plus x square. Let's start our solution. First we write here given differential equation. The given differential equation is dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y square divided by 1 plus x square. To convert the variable separable form, we take the terms of x on LHS and the terms of y on RHS. Therefore, 1 divided by 1 plus y square into dy is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x square dx. Now, integrating both sides, we get integration of 1 upon 1 plus y square into dy is equal to integration of 1 divided by 1 plus x square dx plus c. Therefore, integration of 1 divided by 1 plus y square is tan inverse y is equal to integration of 1 divided by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x plus c. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. Next example is solve the differential equation y minus x into dy by dx is equal to 0. Let's start the solution. First we write the given equation, and the given differential equation is y minus x into dy by dx is equal to 0. Take the term x into dy by dx on the RHS. So, we get y is equal to x into dy by dx. Now, to convert the given equation to variable separable form, we take the terms of x on LHS and the terms of y on RHS. Therefore, 1 upon x into dx is equal to 1 upon y into dy, which is our variable separable form. On integrating both sides, we get integration of 1 upon x dx is equal to integration of 1 upon y dy plus c1. Therefore, integration of 1 upon x dx is log x is equal to integration of 1 upon y dy is log y. Here, both the terms are in the terms of log x. So, we take constant c1 as a log c. We know that log m plus log n is equal to log m into n. So, we use this rule in the RHS. Therefore, log x is equal to log of yc. We know that if log m is equal to log n, then m equal to n, we use this rule in this step, we get x equal to cy. This is the general solution of given differential equation. Next example is solve the differential equation sec square x into tan y dx plus sec square y into tan x dy is equal to 0. Let's start the solution. First we write here the given differential equation. The given differential equation is sec square x into tan y dx plus sec square y into tan x dy is equal to 0. Now, we divide throughout the equation by tan y into tan x. We get sec square x divided by tan x into dx plus sec square y divided by tan y into dy is equal to 0, which is our variable separable form. Now, we integrate both sides, we get integration of sec square x divided by tan x dx plus integration of sec square y divided by tan y dy is equal to c1. We know that derivative of tan x is a sec square x and derivative of tan y is sec square y. So, we use here the formula of integration f dash of x divided by f of x dx is equal to log of mod of f of x. Therefore, log of mod of tan x plus log of mod of tan y is equal to c1. Since integration of f dash of x divided by f of x dx is equal to log of mod of f of x plus c. Here both the term in the terms of log, so we write constant of integration c1 in terms of log. Therefore, log of mod of tan x plus log of mod of tan y is equal to log c. Since c1 is equal to log c, we know log m plus log n is equal to log mn. So, we use this formula in this expression. We get log of tan x into tan y is equal to log c. Also, we know that if log m is equal to log n, then m equal to n. So, it becomes tan x into tan y is equal to c, which is the general solution of the given differential equation. Now, we see the example on the particular solution, and the example is find the particular solution of the differential equation 3 into e raised to x into tan y dx plus 1 plus e raised to x into sec square y dy is equal to 0, satisfying the condition when x equal to 0, y equal to pi. First, we find general solution because particular solution is obtained from general solution. Let's start the solution. First, we write here given differential equation, and the given differential equation is 3 into e raised to x into tan y dx plus 1 plus e raised to x into sec square y dy is equal to 0. To convert this equation in the variable separable form, we divide both the side by tan y into 1 plus e raised to x. Therefore, 3 into e raised to x divided by 1 plus e raised to x into dx plus sec square y divided by tan y dy is equal to 0, which is our variable separable form. On integrating, we get general solution, so we integrate both the side. We get 3 is a constant, so we take outside the integration sign. Therefore, 3 into integration of e raised to x divided by 1 plus e raised to x dx plus integration of sec square y divided by tan y dy is equal to c1. Here, derivative of 1 plus e raised to x, which is e raised to x in the numerator, and derivative of tan y, which is sec square y in the numerator. So, we use here the formula integration of f dash of x divided by f of x dx is equal to log of mod of f of x. Therefore, 3 into log of mod of 1 plus e raised to x plus log of mod of tan y is equal to log c. Using the laws of logarithm, we get log of mod of 1 plus e raised to x bracket cube into tan y is equal to log c. We know that if log m is equal to log n, then m equal to n. Therefore, 1 plus e raised to x whole bracket cube into tan y is equal to c. This is our first equation, which is general solution of the given differential equation. Now, we have to find a particular solution. To find particular solution, we use given condition x equal to 0, y equal to pi. In equation 1, we have 1 plus e raised to 0 whole bracket cube into tan pi is equal to c. Here e raised to 0 is 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 raised to 3 is 8. But tan pi is 0, so 8 into 0 is 0. Therefore, c is equal to 0. Now we put the value of c is equal to 0 in equation 1. We get a particular solution which is 1 plus e raised to x whole bracket cube into tan y is equal to 0. This is our required particular solution. I hope you understood the concept of solution of differential equation and variable separable form. Thank you for watching the video till the end.